Welcome again. We are Language Savvy. I hope you are doing well during these times. There is a quote that, success is 99% perspiration and 1% luck. What it means is that if you work hard, you achieve your scores. One such example of this quote, along with us present, is Krishna Didiga. Hi Krishna.
Hi Abhishek, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm also doing good, thank you.
Recently, I believe you have smashed the PT exam. Let me tell you guys the scores. He has got in listening 87, speaking 90, reading 81, and writing 83. Now that is a band 8, or you get 20 points for your PR. Would you like to talk to us about PT exam and your experience with us at Language Savvy?
Yeah, thank you. So first of all, I would like to start my journey at Language Savvy. So when I joined Language Savvy, like on the first day, I came for a feedback on the previous attempts. So in the previous attempts, I was just lagging by 3 to 4 marks, and I couldn't able to achieve my desired score. So I don't know where I am lagging actually to achieve the desired score of 79 plus. So like when I joined Language Savvy, I got the feedback where I was lagging first. So I know my weak areas, I know my strong areas, and I know the points to focus more to achieve my desired score. So that is how my journey started, and at Language Savvy, like I got guidance and pathway to achieve my desired score.
Thanks about that, Krishna. Thanks for sharing that. I would like to tell our viewers that often we miss out on our desired scores by 2 to 3 marks, or you get your scores in listening but you do not get that in speaking, or vice versa. The reason which we found out behind that is that often our foundation is not correct. Would you like to talk about the foundation classes?
Yeah, definitely. I think that is one of the basic building blocks for achieving a desired score. So I can say that at Language Savvy, that is the main point, focus area. Like all the faculties concentrates on building the students' weak areas, like to concentrate much effectively so that they can achieve the desired score. So I can say that the reading foundation which we got at Language Savvy, that is a masterpiece. You can't find it anywhere in the market. Like I can assure you that you start with your basic foundation and you start with the next activities on the reading or speaking or listening. So if you don't know the foundation or the basics, you can't achieve your desired score. That I felt after joining Language Savvy.
Also, addition to that, thank you for those words, Krishna. Also, often what happens is we know the answers, but we do not know the reason behind that. What is the reason behind the correct answer? What is the grammar rule behind the answer? And would you like to talk about how we manage our test labs? We do those group discussions as well.
Yes, I can like that is very much good point you highlighted, Abhishek. So at Language Savvy, yes, lab sessions are very much important. So we used to get one-on-one feedback, and we used to have a weekly mock. And weekly mock, we used to get the scores within 1 or 2 days, and we used to get what are our scoring areas and what are our lagging, where we are lagging actually to score the desired scores. So that is how we build our vocabulary, whatever foundation to achieve the desired scores. So that made me to achieve the desired score within a span of 4 to 5 weeks.
Thank you for that, Krishna. I would tell you that Krishna is a very hard worker as well. Now, often what happens as well is that there is certain sections wherein you do not score properly. There are certain sections which stay with you from the first time you attempt PT till the time you are not getting your score which you want. How did you come about that section? And before that, would you like to talk about that section too? Which was the section which troubled you the most, and how did Language Savvy help you overcome that?
Yeah, definitely. I can say that there are few sections in reading, listening, and speaking as well. So in speaking, I can say read aloud and repeat sentence are the weak areas for me. So in read aloud, I used to read, and sometimes minor additions or minor deletions happens. So that causes you big mistakes in like achieve a desired score for reading section. So and also repeat sentence. I hardly remember 9 to 8 words, 8 to 9 words when I do practice on myself. But at Language Savvy, I learned how to chunk the words, and I can assure you that now I'm in a situation to speak 20 words correctly without any mistakes. So that is the main reason of my achievement at Language Savvy to achieve the desired score.
Thank you, Krishna. It's all your hard work. Now, before we kind of move on to other topics, would you like to, let our viewers know about, any crucial piece of information, any advice which you would want to give, the prospective test takers? Because I'm sure that 1.5 months or 2 months before, you were in the same boat as they are. What would you like to tell our viewers?
Yes, Abhishek, definitely. I think like before my journey started in Language Savvy, like I was doing like 1 or 2 attempts before, but I was not getting the desired score. So as I said, so at Language Savvy, I know like I really want to thank Abhishek and Abhishek, both of them. So they are the faculty and they monitor your progress at each and every stage. So that is the main aspect of Language Savvy. So and I can say that there are certain sections of exam you never know the logic behind that one. But at Language Savvy, I got all those information, and I like previously that was my hard areas, and now it's a piece of cake for me. So I can easily achieve my desired score with those those shortcuts or logics, whatever we got at Language Savvy.
Yes, thank you so much for that. And also viewers, I would like to inform you that Language Savvy is the pioneer in training for Nati CCL Telugu as well. And Krishna, after having encountered the success with us, he has also taken part in the Language Savvy Nati CCL Telugu training as well. Would you want to talk about your Nati CCL journey so far? How have you been finding the experience, the tutors, the materials, and everything?
Yeah, definitely, Abhishek. Like after achieving this PT desired score, like I have done my assessment, and I felt that like if I get additional 5 points from somewhere else, like Nati CCL is one of the option for me. So initially I thought of doing for Hindi, like even though Hindi is not my mother tongue. So like I have an exposure to Hindi language, so I thought of doing for Hindi. But luckily by the time I achieved my PT desired score, like that Nati CCL has launched Telugu as a medium of language. So that is like I can say that it's a shower of blessing for me. So immediately I joined, like I want to continue with Language Savvy for Nati CCL as well. I know that faculty here at Language Savvy basically focuses on your basic building blocks. So for Nati's Telugu journey, like till date today, like we started with vocabulary building, and also the lab sessions what we have like focuses on the dialogue, note takings and everything. So the conversions from English to Lote and Lote to English. So that is a very important aspect of note taking. That is one thing which we are progressing in learning. So I'm sure that I can able to achieve the desired score for Nati as well.
I'm also very sure about that, Krishna. Knowing the hard worker that he is, he will certainly get those crucial 5 points which make or break your PR application. Thank you so much, Krishna, for your time. And for our dear viewers, I would like to say that, we were the first institute which came up with a very comprehensive and tailored Nati CCL Telugu training. Apart from that, our PT success stories are very high, and we have a very high conversion rate as well for students who are taking those tests. The whole basic behind this has been, a focused strategy, a personalized touch, and just the right amount of push and confidence.
Yes.
I hope.
I want to add a bit on.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Abhishek. So you said customization, right?
Yes.
Definitely. Like we have templates in the market, right? Wherever you go, they will provide a templates. But how it suits you well is that matters a lot. So I got that feedback when I have the templates and I was practicing through. So I know the way like the pain areas going through the templates. Exactly. So sometimes you can't able to pronounce certain words there in the template, but here at Language Savvy, that customization you can get it, and you can achieve the desired score with those things.
Thank you, Krishna, for that input as well. I hope you have learned or understood what we do at Language Savvy. I hope you have a good time ahead. Do come and visit us. Thank you.
Thank you.